Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I am unboxing a mannequin head, and I purchased this mannequin head, believe it or not. I purchased it from Temu or Temu, however you want to pronounce it. That's where I got it from. Now, these mannequin heads normally run about $60, $80. Sometimes you might can find it for in the $50 range, US dollars. But on Temu, they had it for $19.99. So I definitely wanted to get it and see what it was like. Now, the thing about it is, it came with its own stand for you to mount the head to a platform. Okay, so there she is. There I got my head. And this is the hair. Now, I can't lie. I don't know if this is human hair or not. Normally, these mannequins come with human hair because you needed human hair because you're styling it, you're curling it, you're cutting it. I mean, you're doing a lot to them. And these are the mannequin heads you normally would use while you're in beauty college. I didn't test it to see if it was human. It didn't. I don't know. I think it's a blend. I'm just going to keep it real. I really believe this is a blend. But I'm going to do a little more investigation later and let y'all know about this hair. Okay, so what you do, because the hair is supposed to be human, the first thing you need to do when you first get your mannequin is you want to check for lice. Now, I know that's going to sound weird, but human hair sometimes does have lice still attached, the eggs still attached to the strand. So in beauty college, that's the first thing they taught us to do was check for lice. And believe it or not, I have over the years found human hair mannequin heads that did have a few eggs still attached throughout the mannequin head. And you just remove those, shampoo the hair out, and there you go. There's no more lice. But it's always good to check and inspect. Now, I'm going to do a little more investigation because, like I said, I don't believe this is 100% human hair. It could be, but I'm just not for sure. I did not do any type of test because this particular video is about learning how to do a regular cornrow. Okay, that's what this video is about. And as you can see, as I finish up searching and looking and making it very thorough, I am going to begin the process. So I'm just going to give you a few minutes to see how I look through the strands really well to check for anything. Okay, now I'm adding just plain water because of the texture of the hair and the flyaways. When you deal with a hair with this grade, it's not kinky, it's not curly. Water will definitely help. And when I'm doing my partings, I'm looking at the hairline, and that's going to help me to start and gauge my parting for this first braid. So like I said, the water definitely helps smooth out those flyaways just so that you can get a really nice crisp part. I do add a little bit of braiding, and it's not gel, it's more like maybe an edge control type of substance I use just to kind of also keep the flyaways where they need to be so that you can get a nice crisp braid. Once you get the hair all detangled, then you can go ahead and start the process of braiding, and we're going to go through that in one sec. Okay, so we want to divide the hair into 3 sections. 1, 2, 3. 3 sections. When it comes to braiding, that's your go-to. 1, 2, 3. And depending on what type of braid you want to do, is going to determine how you intertwine those 3 braids. So as you can see, I am taking the 3 braids and I'm crossing them over each other. As you cross them over each other, you're going to be grabbing a small piece of hair throughout the parting section, bringing it into the braid, combining it together. The key is to hold the braid tightly. You want to hold it tightly so that there's no gaps, and then you want to continue down the shaft. Okay? Okay, so this braid is just about complete, and I hope this was able to help somebody. Practice, practice, practice makes perfect. If you don't get it right the first time, just keep trying. Your braid might be super loose when you first start. Just keep trying. Take it down, try again. Take it down, try again. And if you want to really get good at it, like I said, I got this mannequin head right here on Temu for $19.99. I think I saw some also for in the $20 range too. but it's a great starter kit to get you going, to learn how to first braid or practice certain styles so that you can make extra money, you know, if you're not a braider, or if you have a teenager daughter who was wanting to learn how to braid or add hair. I have videos on that coming up also. But I just want everybody to be able to be prosperous any way you can. And if learning how to do a cornrow is something that you've been struggling with, I hope this video is able to help you. All right. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Please like, subscribe, and y'all take care.